So, good morning, sir. This is my video explanation in problem 3. So, the sir nga part is the pass by value part, ay pass by reference part na apply safety correction directly. Ayan. Tapos, sir, it is a pass by value part. Locally only modification, original is unchanged. In this part, sir, it is the int recursive function. Amo na siya ang nag-find sa maximum corrected weight. Kaninga part, sir. Next. Amo na, sir, mga loops. So during a part, sir, it is the count overload vehicles, and it also apply corrections. Part is so in this part, sir, it is the pointer to start the array. Pointer to start the array. Tapos kini it is the correct marsag nag-correct siya via pointer. So in this, sir, it is it prints the outputs kani. Tapos sa baba it is kani, sir, kani. Tama ba? Kani, sir, recursive man mo siya ang recursive maximum. Tapos kani is silent demo of pass by value. No output, just proof lang siya nga ang function is ga-exist. Then I'll show a sample run. Enter number of vehicles to 30. Enter the vehicles is 25, 55. Mauna siya ang output, sir. Kita ba? Thank you, sir.